do we kind of look alike?
Camera?
Yeah.
It's like a Warrior. It's been around, but it's an oldie.
That camera can talk, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
All right, man. Have a good one.
You too, you too. Of course, it wouldn't fit in here. Appreciate it. Yep. Where am I gonna unbox this thing? We just gotta go down this hill. This gentleman has the whole football field to himself. Putting on sweaters knowing I'm gonna get hot. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between. Welcome back. My name is John Simon, and making videos this often has been so much fun. I appreciate you watching. Trying to hold this thick camera and the box at the same time. No, I forgot a box cutter. Wait, actually, got this thing right here. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, she is so sexy. Wow. Look at the orange hubs. When I ordered it online, I accidentally didn't buy tires. Ah, the box. But Evolve has great customer service, so they made sure I was good. Charger, we got a Y tool. Woo! The controller, put it in orange, you know. So you power it on right there. Then you press this on the remote and hold this top button. Then I hold the dead man switch and oh my God. Got the one with all-terrain wheels just because if I fall, at least we're on grass. Oh my. Woo! You have to lean your body forward or else once you hit the trigger, you just go. So sexy. This thing is amazing. This bench, and then I see this. Happiness is only real when shared. The battery on this is drained. Now I have to use my phone and this tripod. 1st fall. % battery on the board. It's still pushing. So 78% battery on the board, full battery on the remote. Let's get out there. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Oh, oh.
That's so crazy.
How you doing?
How you doing? Yo, that's crazy.
So, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Holy shit, that shit takes off.
Light on the trigger, light on the trigger. got you.
Thanks,
So-
man.
I hold this.
Yep.
Oh my god. This
Keep your way forward, yep. So how's that feel?
That was awesome.
Cool. Oh!
That's just really crazy. Hold on, I gotta get this down.
Yeah, this is how you position yourself. Of course. Have a good night.